the tablet for 4 or 5 hours. That's not normal. It's not natural. And if you see that happen in parents, put a stop to that. Give them a couple of hours and then take a break with them. Read to them, talk to them, walk with them, play with them, make up songs with them. Flowers in the meadow. Oh, 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 oh. Flowers in the meadow. Oh, 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 oh. Flowers in the meadow. But somewhere out there, a child doesn't know love. Somewhere out there, a child is starving for hugs. Starving for food, but not just the physical food, but also the spiritual food. Sometimes the child don't have the strength to act rude. They don't know that they are our sun rays, that they are our brighter days, that they should be children growing like flowers in the meadow. And I see roses and tulips and daffodils. I see roses and tulips and daffodils. I see roses and tulips and daffodils, azaleas, chrysanthemums, and the lily of the valley. Flowers in the meadow. Oh, 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 oh. Flowers in the meadow. Oh, 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 oh. Flowers in the meadow. But somewhere out there, a child is being enslaved as we speak. Could have been that child that made the Nike Air Jordan sneaks you're wearing up on your feet. Child slavery, child abduction. They're stolen from their homeland. Sometimes they're bought and sold by their own parents' hands. They're made to work in sweatshops. They work until their sweat drops. But they are our sun rays. They are our brighter days. And they should be children growing like flowers in the meadow. Like roses and tulips and daffodils. Like roses and tulips and daffodils. Like roses and tulips and daffodils, azaleas, chrysanthemums, and the lily of the valley. Lily of the valley.
Continue that music. Continue that drama. Roll, Jordan, roll. Roll, River Jordan, roll. If you want to go to Zion in a chant, we go here, River Jordan, roll. Roll, Jordan, roll. Roll, River Jordan, roll. If you want to go to Zion in a chant, we go here, River Jordan, roll.
Alright, Tunde.
Roll, Jordan, roll. Roll, River Jordan,
This is Chinaman, the
roll.
veteran.
If you want to go to Zion in a chant, we go here, River Jordan, roll. Next one. Satan, you carry Rasta army man. Tell me why you follow Rasta army man. Satan, you follow Rasta army man. Satan follow anywhere
Rastafari. Anywhere Rastafari.
Anywhere Rastafari.
They wicked them I
follow. And write my name upon the golden pen. Golden pen. Golden pen. I'm going to write my name on the golden pen. Write my name up there. Sister Carol, sing with me. Write my name. Write my name up there. Again. Write my name. Write my name up there. One more time. I'm going to write my name upon the golden pen.
Gentlemen.
The golden pen. The golden pen. Sister Carol, write my name upon the golden pen. Write my name up there. Which is fear.
Hey.
Rastafari.
Hey.
King Selassie the first. Maddie.
That's Chinaman, the veteran.
You want some more?
Miss Lee.
Miss Lee. Closer than a brother, King Selassie is to we. He's mighty in everything I need. He's my rock, my shield and hiding place. Closer than a brother, King Selassie is to I. Again, closer than a brother, King Selassie is to I. He's my dearest friend in everything I need. He's I rock, I shield and hiding place. Closer than a brother, King Selassie is to me.
Rastafari. Now children, this is called the Nyabingi. Nyabingi comes from Queen Nyabingi from Uganda. She was the one that coined the phrase death to black and white down pressers. Actually, she said death to the white down pressers as she sounded the alarm. We need to balance. Tell the right story. Nyabingi from Uganda. And the Nyabingi to Rastafari is the 1-2 meditation of the heart. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2. I think your battery is dead. How you doing there? Give him some now.
Oh, I heard the voice of the Rastaman say, Babylon, you thrown gone down, gone down. Babylon, you thrown gone down. New name Jagat, tiny terrible amongst men. He then no like Johnny. And it terrible amongst men, he ain't no lie.